Hi guys, so the question is tab closing. So what the question is actually saying is a screen is there is a screen of length A and there are n browser tabs. Okay, each tab has to close. To close the tab, there is X button on it right side. Okay, we have to start our mouse from left to right. Okay, like your mouse start at the very left of the screen position to 0 to the nth position. Okay, clicking does not move the mouse. Moving the mouse, if we move the mouse, it will count as what? 1. Okay, so our goal is what? We have to close all the tab with the minimum movement of our mouse. Okay, how we are going to do it? So I have already written the solution. Here we will declare all the variables. We'll enter the value, and here what we will do b cross n, if print if in this both case, if b is greater than equal to a, or if b is less than equal to b cross n, then what will be the answer will be 1, otherwise the answer will be 2. Okay, so that's how the code is working. You can submit it also, it will get accepted. Okay, so like just submit it. I will show you. So here's the visualizer of this. There are n tabs, start from left to right. We have to find the minimum movement of mouse. Okay, yeah, tab closing. Okay, it got submitted. Right now it's running the code. Let's refresh the page. So yeah, it's submitted, accepted. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply. Thank you.